Here's a fish. Oh, it's a big one. Get the net, get the net. Yes! Oh my god. Crushed the spinnerbait when I wasn't looking. Oh my god. That's like a 5. Nah, maybe like a 4. Look at how he ate it. 4 pounds 11 ounces, almost a 5-pounder. 4 pounds 10 ounces. Big fish on that spinnerbait. Looked like she might be spawning already. Might just already been spawning. I don't know. Fat fish though. Let me get her back in the water. There she goes. Fish came off this spinnerbait. She bent it all up. Look at that spinnerbait. Fishing this spinnerbait. As you can see, the lake is flooded, and you know, if you saw my last video, you saw all that rain. It was raining for pretty much what, like 2 or 3 days straight, Dad? Yeah. For like heavy rain for like 2 or 3 days straight. This is normally a big point, and as you can see, it's pretty much all underwater. I was throwing a spinnerbait into the cover, like all the bushes and trees that are submerged right now, and I was just pulling it out of there, and probably 5 or 6 feet away from the bank, she just destroyed it. So stay tuned, and I'll see if I get some more fish. There's a fish, Dad. I did not expect him. Yeah, a little one. Oh, he's decent, actually. Oh, it's a good one, Dad. Oh, I got him. Another good one on the spinnerbait. Probably 2.5, almost 3 pounds. Tail's bleeding. That means she's spawning. She's getting her bed ready. Nice fish. Another spinnerbait. Let her go. Here she goes. There's a fish. Nah, smaller. It's good. Another. God, I keep barely hitting it. There's a fish. Another little one. Another little one on that spinnerbait. Oh my God, what is wrong with me? God, their teeth are sharp right now. I feel so bad. Yeah, that's the 5th one, but it was the like 3rd one I've dropped. God, I feel so bad for him.
Yonder.